Okay, welcome back again. This is Innocent. I'm gonna show you the session trades as usual. I think this is my fourth video showing you how to use the golden bullet strategy and how to hunt the volumes during the session times. So I'm gonna delete everything and start from afresh, where we'll start with the Asian session, then we'll deal with the London session, then the New York session. If you have been following up, we get the same type of entries, the same time, and with the same results always. So the thing that differentiates you with others, you should have the consistency rule, doing the same thing at the same exact time with expecting the same results. So this is Asian session 200 EAT, East African time frame, where we were observing the market from here and we saw this downward momentum. So our first thing, we think more of selling rather than buying because of this momentum of the market at the sell side. So like, despite of this base right here, despite of this base right there, for us to buy, many of traders mix this thing. You deal more of the previous price action rather than the current price action, and that is a very wrong thing to do, because everyone here will be expecting to buy this market here, making them suitable liquidities. Okay, so like at this time you should focus more on the present price action. And what's the present price action showing you? At the 30 minutes time frame, you can see that we had this supply zone right here. It's very mini but potential. How will you know that if it's potential? I told you, after observing the 30 minutes, you must go back to the 1 hour and observe the FTA first troubled time frame. Okay, so right after the FTA, we can see this AOL right here, where price will come and retest at this area and keep going down, where we want the market to reach at this point, where most of the people will be placing their stop loss, thinking that that's a buy, that's the buy base, or they might mark it, the SMC traders, they mark it as their demand zone. Okay, so we want to move this market from here. During this session opening, we want to move the market from here all the way down to here. How are we gonna do that? So we'll be observing our 30 minutes time frame. We said we have a supply zone right here, but this place was tested once, twice, thrice, to know that if it denied our selling side momentum, you must go to the 15 minutes time frame and observe if the market gave us a break of market structure, you see. But since when it started testing, we haven't got that market structure break. But as soon as the session opened, we got our break on that low right here. So us getting this break gives us the go ahead of this supply zone, where we're gonna use it to push the market all the way to the downside liquidities, which we just have observed right now. So after this break, I told you that we move to the 5 minutes time frame and observe the price action, or we should observe the market structure itself. You see, we have the church right here. Getting this church right here tells us a confirmation, you see. So we're gonna trade this with the break and retest entries where after market giving us this church, we need it to come and test this area, and after this body closure we need it to come and test this area and shoot downwards. How? We're gonna enter with the 1 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame, what 1 minute time frame confirmation. Okay, so having to remind you that the session was here. This is the 2:00 o'clock candle. So at the 1 minute time frame, we'll be here looking and observing, like what specifically happened there. Did we get the break of market structure to the downside after this retest? So here's the market, you see. After it broke the 5 minutes time frame, after it broke the 5 minutes chart, it came back and retested this zone with this bullish candle right here. I'm gonna delete it so that it can be visible. It came and broke this place right here, you see. After breaking, after retesting this area, we need its confirmation to obey the trend. Okay, so after this break with the body break right here, we already got the 90% go ahead that we need to take these cells to the sell side liquidity, which I just showed you. So you will take this entry and place your stop loss above, let the price rest. Those are almost 50 pips down, and targeting the low, which I just showed you, is the 1 hour time frame low. And there we had our trade, and it went right to the stop losses of the buyers. We knew that this is a base. Okay, at the 1 hour it's very clear that it's a base, but you should remember to always be on the trend. Once you're always at the trend, these things won't matter, because you won't be looking for buys here, but you'll be looking for sells here currently, and there is where the market's volume got attached and pulled us down there. So this was 1:3 risk reward trade. So after that we'll head to the what? Wait. We'll be heading to the London session trade. Okay, now we'll find our London session at around 9:00 EAT. There it is. Now, having to observe the 30 minutes, we are still in a bearish momentum. You see, we are still in a bearish momentum. So what we are looking for is the bearish zone